When the average person comes to Cancun for their first time, they do all the things that you'd probably expect. Hanging out on the beach, getting a drink, enjoying the beautiful scenery. It is so gorgeous here. However, I am not your normal person. Whenever I travel, I try to find ways to give back to the communities that I visit, even if it is a place like Cancun that's notoriously known for its party scene. While I was vacation planning, I came across Panama Jack Resorts that happens to be doing a lot of really great things in the local community here in Cancun. I reached out to the Panama Jack Resorts team to ask if I could tag along and participate in some of the initiatives that they help support, and that's exactly what I did. First up, we're gonna go visit Fundación Melipona Maya, which is an organization that helps support bee populations and has a unique way of giving back to indigenous communities here in the Yucatan Peninsula. If you haven't heard of this project before, it is really cool. Basically, this foundation raises a breed of stingerless bees to be able to cultivate a full colony that produces honey. And then once these colonies reach maturity, they bring them over to indigenous local communities here in the Yucatan that then raise the bees themselves, produce honey, sell the honey, and then use that money to be able to benefit their community. Fun fact, I had no idea, but apparently there's about 2,000 breeds of stingerless bees in Mexico, and they have 4 of those species here. That's why we're able to stand here and work with the bees without wearing bee suits. I can't wait to try this. That is so sweet and delicious.
Salud.
Salud. Una caja así se produce ¿cuántos kilos?
Lo máximo que podemos cosechar de una caja es de 1 kilo, kilo y medio por temporada.
¿Cuál es el nombre de esta especie?
Su nombre en maya es Sakshik.
Sakshik.
Y su nombre científico es Phrysiomelita nigra nigra.
Look at the difference in the colony versus the other bee colony. And look how tiny this bee is. Okay, eso es. Once these communities have at least 50 colonies, they take 5 of those 50 and donate them back to the foundation here so that they can continue to raise them and then donate them to other local communities as well. So it's this really self-sustaining initiative that not only helps people, but it also helps the environment. Now back to the resort for an afternoon of rest and good eats, and as the sun sets, I'll think about tomorrow's opportunity to give back. This morning I'm headed out with a group of staff from the resort to visit a local organization called Casa Nisi that cares for elderly people. What touches my heart the most about this organization is that some of the residents are formerly homeless. In some cases in this area, families can no longer afford to take care of or house their elder family members, so they either leave them on the streets or turn them over to an organization like this one to get the love and care that they deserve. We've brought a bunch of supplies to donate, and we're gonna spend the afternoon dancing and playing games together. These are definitely a lot heavier than I thought. We even brought the resort's Zumba instructor to lead us in a dance. Now we're going to celebrate a couple anniversaries in the house. These guys have been married for 60 years. I know that coming here to visit for a day isn't going to change what happened in the lives of the residents before they came here, but I really do believe in the power of shared moments of joy to uplift the human spirit. It's honestly been such a rewarding experience to go check out these two organizations. I felt so elevated after going to Casa Nisi. These people there are just so warm and so loving. Actually going somewhere and getting to know the heart and soul of the location is really done by giving back. I know that I can come to Cancun and have an amazing time at a resort like this one, but what really makes the experience memorable and long-lasting for me is finding a way to take my skills and use them in a place where they are needed. Ultimately, we're all humans and we're here to connect. We all experience loneliness, and joy, laughter, and fun are such amazing ways to pay it forward to others. Was this really truly altruistic if I was the one walking away from that being like, man, this feels so good? I don't know. But what I do know is I have a lot of respect for hotels like this one that will take their staff away from the site to go volunteer for part of the day. That is amazing. Whenever you travel, it is definitely available to you to do exactly as I did and try to find a way to volunteer in the place that you're visiting. I promise it will change everything, and you will have stories that you'll be talking about with people for a very long time. I think that's all I got for you on this journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I'm really trying to fill the world with positive vibes by creating videos like these that are about giving back, doing kind deeds, and self-love. Not even gonna lie, I'm gonna go continue enjoying the beach right now. We'll catch you on the next video. Bye.